Hi guys, got a minute? It's Maria. Today we're making Crockpot Cranberry Chicken, a simple 4-ingredient slow cooker meal that's surprisingly delicious. The best part? You don't need to turn on your oven, making it a great option for those hot summer days. Only 4 ingredients to this recipe. You can use 8 or 9 chicken thighs, or you can substitute them for 4 skinless chicken breasts. You'll need Catalina dressing, a packet of onion soup mix, and 1 can of whole cranberries. Spray or grease your crock pot. Layer your chicken at the bottom of the crock pot. Squeeze them in as best you can. In a small bowl or a glass measuring cup, add 1 cup of Catalina dressing, 1 can of whole berry cranberry sauce. If you only have jellied cranberry sauce on hand, that works just as well, and 1 envelope of onion soup mix. Stir until well combined, then pour the sauce evenly over the chicken, making sure each piece is completely coated. Cover and cook in the slow cooker on high for 2 to 3 hours or low for 4 to 6 hours. If you'd like, you can check on the chicken while it's cooking and spoon some of the sauce over the chicken pieces to keep them coated as they finish cooking. The chicken looks so tender and the cranberry sauce mixture has coated each piece beautifully. I'm just checking the temperature to make sure it's fully cooked. It should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Once it's done, serve it over rice, mashed potatoes, or alongside your favorite vegetables. I served mine with cauliflower rice. This chicken smells amazing and looks so delicious. It's a perfect summer recipe to enjoy outside on the deck. Tender chicken with a sweet and savory cranberry sauce, a simple meal the whole family will love. The ingredients in this recipe may seem like an unusual combination, but they come together to create such a delicious sweet and savory flavor. And it's so easy to make. While cranberry recipes are often thought of as holiday recipes, this one is delicious any time of year. The written recipe is in the description box below. Now let's see what my husband thinks.
That's delicious.